Hello, how are you? Kumusta naman yung finish ng Christmas celebration to all people in this earth, mga Christian? Mostly, of course, mga Christian people that they are celebrating for the Christmas. And kumusta? Thanks, wala naman akong newly subscriber. But it's okay. The important that I have continue to support pa rin kahit papaano. Ito naman ang gift ni Madam May. She brought for this one for us, not for us, for the heater in the hammam to take shower ng mga children, especially si Coco, the new baby, because si Sisi already, she's big, she can what's that na? Lumalampas na si Sisi. Ay, nako. So, ayan, maganda naman siya na maganda naman siya na maliliit. Pang necessary lang na kung mag-take shower sa hamam, iyon sa hamam, kumbaga. Para si Madam ang gumagamit nito. Hindi ako. Kaya cute din siya. Tapos, ngayon, ako man yan, nakikita naman yan lagi sa ano ba yun doon, sa mga social media. Kaya, thank you again. Thank you for everything. Wala naman akong, yung Christmas ko, it's okay. Fine naman din yung Christmas ko. Normal, mas normal. Yung mga amo ko for the family of my Madam and Sir, their children. So, always naman yan. I go together with them after I finish my church. So, we go lunch to outside in the Babylon, Rotana. And that is the one famous here in Baghdad. It's long time ago, years already. It's very nice there also. To the some mga guest, mga tourist person, mga tourist people that you have already enough for your yearly or monthly source of income that you spend vacation to the different countries. So you can visit here also in Baghdad, in Iraq, in the Baghdad, in the one cities of Iraq. Okay, so you can search in the Google for in the Phoenicia, in the Babylon Phoenicia, and there is a lot of hotel here. You can search. So nice. Try naman din to visit. Not just to watch that pa. I'm just express, or I'm just telling through in my account what videos that what I have. Okay, so that's all. So Merry Christmas again. Finish na. Happy New Year na. So for the years of come. So what is your normal naman, the important that good health talaga, blessings from above all, especially to my all families of my brother and the family of my late brother, to the all angkan of my mother's side and father's side in my hometown, na nagiging part of my journey from since until now that I'm still living in this earth. I'm working as a OFW. Some friends, mga co-workers long time ago, now present, and mga past, ang mga kababata, mga pares, mga kumares, mga childhood, mga batchmate, and mga tanan, not only for me. I'm not expresses only for me that they are still supported in my journey, or some of them that they are supporting in my channel also. Some blogger that they are still helping and continue from the beginning until now, that what I have, and me also, I'm there connected with them. At least they have some subscriber also to support in my channel. So thank you very much talaga. And wherever you are, whatever you do, you are updated in your channel or not updated na, you know who you are. And God knows everything that provided, everything, whatever we need. Now I just sit down here to make this one while I'm cleaning her first in the room of Sisi, and our new baby is still sleepy, so I can watch it even 30 minutes, so minimum 30 minutes only. Okay, so thank you again. God bless us all, to the all people in this world. Sabotage na lang yan sa pag-greet din ng Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, all na yan. Kasi kung to mention, to call by one, grabe, super, dami, super na talaga. So again, Happy New Year, happy trekkings pa pala din, and good luck, and God bless us all, provided everything, whatever we need. Okay, bye, bye.